Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be doing something a bit different. Today I'm going to be announcing a Q&A. This channel has grown so quickly, so massively in the past month or so, and I'm very grateful for the growth. But growth in subscribers means a lot of new people came over to the channel and basically chose to subscribe, and dude, I am very happy. Welcome to the channel everyone. Leave a comment down below. Tell me anything about yourself because I really want to get to know you guys. Also, comment down below if you have any questions. I'm going to be doing a Q&A in the next video. So if you want to ask me anything and nothing is off limits, go right ahead. Leave a comment in the comment section below and I will answer your question in the next video. I will also be showing your comment, giving you a free shout out. Anyways, this will do for today's video. Leave your comments and questions in the comment section down below and I will be sure to reply to every single comment in the next video. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.